Hey everyone! In this part of the video, we will show you how to transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. This lets you move your crypto to a wallet you control. First, open your Phantom Wallet and log in. Go to the main dashboard and select Solana from your token list. Tap Deposit to view your Solana deposit address. You will see a long string of numbers and letters and a QR code. Tap Copy to save the address. Next, open your Robinhood account on the app or website. Find Solana in your crypto portfolio and tap Send. In the address field, paste the Solana deposit address from Phantom. Double-check the address matches exactly. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. If Robinhood asks, complete identity verification and turn on two-factor authentication. This ensures your transfer is secure. After confirming, the Solana will be sent from Robinhood to your Phantom Wallet. It should appear within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Now you know how to safely transfer Solana from Robinhood to Phantom. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to move crypto between accounts. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos for more investing tips and tutorials.